Hey guys, so welcome back to another video on my channel, and in this video we will be using the iPhone 3GS, which is in front of you, for a week in 2020. So while recording this video, we are currently still in lockdown due to coronavirus, which means I don't use my phone as often as I usually do, but I thought it would be a good time to do it as I haven't got much else to do. So I'll just be updating you every day, or nearly every day, on how it is to use and what apps work and that sort of stuff, and I'll do some comparisons of photos and videos compared to a modern day Xiaomi Mi 9 phone. I'll test out the Bluetooth on it and what it's like to use. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions on how to root the device and get some apps to work, you can just ask me in the comments and I'll try and respond as soon as I can. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so it is 12:04 Monday, which means it's the first day of living with an iPhone 3GS. So yeah, let's get started. Basically, I'm just going to make sure my alarm is set for tomorrow. And I suppose I'd better tell people that I'm doing this challenge. So I'll check back with you in the morning. Okay, so it's the end of day one, so it's now Tuesday. It's just gone midnight, and I have some updates. So first of all, when using this phone and having it in your pocket, I seem to forget it's in there because it's so small. You think you've put it somewhere else, but it's actually still in your pocket. It's not very noticeable. Using the actual screen I find it a lot easier because you can actually reach the whole of the phone without having to move it in your hand. And typing, I also think typing is easier on here because the screen's so much smaller that it's just easier to type. I don't know, that might just be me. Also don't use it very often. I only went to pull it out of my pocket sometimes. Not very often, to just message someone. Bluetooth works fine, so it works with my Xiaomi AirDots, works with them fine. And I also went to town today and I couldn't use Google Pay or Apple Pay, so I had to actually use my card contactlessly and not on the phone, which was, a bit annoying, but 11-year-old phone. And you see the battery's actually on 20%, so it's actually lasted all day. I'll put some pictures on screen that I took whilst I was at Costa, so you can see the photo quality, and it's actually better than I thought it would be. So yeah, that's all for day one, and I'll see you day two. Okay, so it's now day 3 of living with an iPhone 3GS. I'm just going to recap over day 2, and I'm going to talk about the apps that work on the device. So, day 2, it went fine. Only apps I really miss is TikTok, and I also can't use messaging on Instagram, so I missed some drama that happened in a group chat, which is a shame, but whatever. So that's about it really. Didn't really use my phone much, I guess. We're on 40% battery today instead of 20. So I'm going to go over some of the apps that work and don't work. So start with, all the apps you see right now work fine apart from Newsstand. But there's not really much point in having the App Store because only a few apps will still work. Even that, they're probably really bad. Okay, all the apps at the bottom do work. Actually, I don't think Mail works. I'm not sure. On the second page, you can see all the apps that don't work right here. Okay, all these apps work. These are all the jailbreak tweaks I've installed. And basically, if you're going to do this, you have to have Cydia. And I'm just going to load it up and show you what packages I have installed currently, because it took a while to get AppSync installed, which just lets you install IPA files using a computer or on the device. Here we go. Basically, AppSync Unified doesn't work. You need AppSync for AIO till 6.1. And here's the sources I have installed. Okay. So Instagram. Hold on, let me just check something. Okay, so Instagram does actually work, but in the pictures, some of the top and the bottom is unfortunately cut off. You can like posts as well. You can view your profile as well. You can search, and I'm not sure what that actually is. It shows you everything that's happened, but messaging does not work. It doesn't load, and you can't message anyone, so there's not much point. Okay, next up is Messenger, which actually works quite well. I'm not going to open it because it's got conversations on it, but that does work. The only issue I've had so far is you can't send photos, but you can receive them. So, you know, whatever. Speed test, this app does actually work, and you'll be able to see the speeds that this phone can get. We're going to max out, so it doesn't really matter what my speeds are. So I'll be back after a second. Okay, so the speed you can currently see is all this phone can get. My download speed usually is 150, and my upload is about 20 or 30, I'm not sure. My ping is usually about 10, so this is the best you're going to get on this phone. Okay? Not that's useful because you won't be doing much downloading on the phone. So yeah, that's fine. Chrome works fine. Google Maps you have to install using a repo on Cydia. AccuWeather, that works fine as well. Deezer works, a bit slow. Spotify also works. It actually works a bit better than Deezer, but I have a Deezer subscription, so that's what I have. YouTube doesn't really work. This is the iOS 4 app with the Tube Fixer package added on top. So if I open it up, basically it will either work or it won't work. It's a bit random. What's going to load? No, it's not going to work. Yeah, this is the Lucifer trailer. Let's just click whatever this is. No, that doesn't work either. Yeah, it's not going to work today. But basically you have to get the beta version of the Tube Fixer package, and you have to get your own key to make it work. There's like loads of stuff on Reddit to make this work. The API key, you have to get your own, but it doesn't always work. A bit random, a bit useless. Okay, games, Angry Birds work. All of these work fine. This is an old version of Minecraft. Flappy Bird works. Actually, to get this to work, basically before, when you played it and you died, the game would crash, so you have to disable, is it in here? Yeah, Game Center. You have to go into here and log out and just disable it because it doesn't work. So yeah, these apps run absolutely fine. Okay, we have Geometry, Fruit Ninja, Doodle Jump, Crossy Road. Yeah, everything's there. That's basically it for the apps I have on here. There are a few other ones that work, but I didn't bother installing them because I'm not going to use them. Crossy Roads, though, that is laggy. Subway Surfers likes to crash. Everything else works fine. Even this stupid game. Yeah. That's basically it. Music works absolutely fine. Yes, I'll see you in day 3 tomorrow. Not much is going to happen, but you never know. I might find something out. But yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, so I've just finished day 3, well, nearly finished, if I look at the time. Nearly finished day 3 of living with an iPhone 3GS, and basically same as yesterday, which was day 2 actually. I said day 3, it was day 2. Not much has changed, nothing's different to use the phone. It just works. I'm not missing anything apart from TikTok, like I keep mentioning, but that's literally all I use my phone for. Literally, it was like 4 hours a day straight on TikTok, which was pretty bad actually. So basically that and Snapchat is the only things I'm missing, and Instagram messages, and other than that, this phone is fine. I mean, there's a few apps that don't work, like Pokemon Go, or I guess Fortnite or Minecraft. But then, I don't actually play games on my phone very often anyway, so it's not really much difference for me. Yeah, so I might get some videos and stuff soon. I'm not sure. I'll probably take some pictures and stuff and show you them and show a comparison between this and my normal phone, which is a Xiaomi Mi 9. So yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's day 7 of living with an iPhone 3GS, and as you see I've missed a lot of days, but that's basically because nothing has changed. It's literally not that difficult to live with this phone. I mean, yes, a few apps don't work, but that's basically it. And before I end this, I will show a comparison of video and photos compared to this and my Mi 9. And I just want to say also that Instagram actually crashes quite a bit. If, for example, you click on it and the first post is a video, the app will crash. And when you scroll down, you can just scroll past videos, but if you reach an advert, the app also crashes. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching my little walkthrough, I guess, of living with this device and what apps work and don't work. So, this will just be added to my collection now, as I'm not going to use it again probably. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!